Let's get this box open. It'll just take a second. So here we are, the Sigma 16mm f1.4 for Canon M mount cameras. If you're someone who talks to the camera or chases your kids around with a camera, this wide lens is gonna be really nice to make sure that you don't miss any of the action. Now, it's not image stabilized or anything, so it's not gonna like make you a super cinematic filmmaker or anything like that, but at f1.4, you still have the ability to get that nice, soft, blurry background that people love so much. That's especially true if you push all the way in and get really close to your subject. The lens has the ability to create more depth in that background and really blur things up and create really nice portraits even with a wide focal length. My favorite lens for my full frame cameras is actually a Sigma 20mm 1.4, and I use that lens in so many low light conditions that I really swear by it. I have a whole other video dedicated just to that lens. But this is a huge step up from the normal kit lens that'll come with an end mount camera, and it has an extremely affordable price point. So please check it out down below at the links in the description. Now, in terms of weight, it's very, very, very lightweight, as are all the Sigma lenses that are in this particular lineup. They make 3 different lenses for this, so make sure you check out all the videos. Of the 3 Sigma lenses that they have in this M kit, the 16mm actually is the heaviest one of all and the bulkiest one. But even this package with the 16mm setup with the Canon M6 Mark II in the cage is still not too heavy to carry around. And you could make it even lighter without the cage if you wanted, but I like the extra grip that the cage adds to it and the sort of counterbalance effects that it has from this heavier lens compared to the body. It's still not too heavy to vlog with, so if you're holding this up, you're in good shape. But even if you're just shooting, this little setup is fantastic. So f1.4, great in low light, really lightweight, tiny little package, really gonna bring the most out of your APS-C size sensor to be able to get all the way down to 1.4. So be sure to check this out below at the affiliate links. I've got a whole series of videos about the Canon M6 Mark II and some other lenses and accessories that go with it. So be sure to check out the rest of my channel so that you can see those videos. Thank you so much for coming along on this one. Thank you to B&H for sending out this loaner camera for me to check out and bring to you. And I'll see you in the next video.